Everybody's doing it, so I might as well do it. I'm going to show you my method for doing the Rubik's Cube. It's probably the simplest. This is the kind that you should teach a 5-year-old child. This is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Let's mix it up. Okay, I like to start off with my favorite. This corner, white blue. And there should be another white blue somewhere. Is it on top? No, it's not on top. So what you want to do is you want to put the other white blue here. Nope. Nope. Yep. Okay, this one is simple. You just turn it up. So put it in this corner, turn it up. What do you do though? Okay. When the white is here, what do? You put this in storage, turn this up, bring this back. It's that simple. You want these two to go together? Put this one in storage, bring this one up, bring this one back. One more time. You put this blue and white in storage. You bring this one up. You bring this one back. It's that simple. And if it's down here, you bring it up. Of course, what do you do when it's on the bottom? See, the white blue's on the bottom. Basically, you put it on the edge and you bring it back. You put it on the edge and you bring it to the corner. Put this one in storage, bring it back. Bring it up. Bring this back. Okay, now let's look for white and orange. There it is, it's on top. We want it in this corner, so there. Now the easiest way is to put these two in storage, bring it up, bring this back. Again, orange, white, orange, white. Put these two in storage, bring this up, bring this back. And of course if it's there, you just turn it. And orange and white, put these in storage, bring this up, bring this back. The orange and green. Okay, you want the orange and green in this corner. You could turn it, whatever. And here it is. You want the white and green together. Put this in storage, bring this up, bring this back out of storage. Again, put these two white in storage, bring this white up, bring this back, and you got the second level. Now what do you do if you got it here? White, red. You put these two in storage, bring this up, bring this back out of storage. Okay, one more time. You want this white and red up here. You put these two in storage, bring this up, bring these two back. Okay, because this is a special corner, let's do it one more time. You want this corner white on top. You put these two in storage, put this up, bring these back. You want this white on top. You put these two in storage and bring this up and bring these back. And that's how you do one color, one level. Now I'll give you a quick lesson on doing the bottom. What you want to do is you want to orient the corners. So you've got orange, green, that's good. That's not good. Not good. Okay, as you can see, the greens are in opposite corners, and blue is in opposite corners. So you want to concentrate on the red and orange. Okay, here we got the two reds on one side and the two oranges on the other side. That's perfect. As you can see, the red-blue is in the proper corner, the red-green is in the proper corner. But there's orange-blue and orange-green that need to be switched. And we'll do what I call the cat method. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, bring the cat back, cat goes up, these two go in storage, this comes back, and these come out of storage. And as you can see, the orange-green and orange-blue are where they belong. Let's do that again. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, bring the cat back, cat goes up, these two go in storage, this comes back, and these come back. And you can see the orange-blue and orange-green are wrong. Let's switch them back. Orange-green goes there. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, bring the cat back, cat goes up, these two go in storage, bring this back, bring these out of storage. And as you can see, the orange-green and orange-blue are back where they are. And the red-blue and the red-green, orange-green, orange-blue, red-blue, red-green, but sometimes all four corners will be switched. As you can see, we got orange-green, orange-red, so these two need to be switched. Orange-green, orange-red, and on the other side, orange-blue, red-blue, these two need to be switched. There's a method for doing that too. What you do is you bring this, well, let's say cat number 1 down. No, let's do it the easy way. Bring this down. Bring cat number 1, no, door number 1. Door number 2. Turn the bottom. This goes up. Bring this back. This goes up. Now you got orange-blue, red-blue, red-green, orange-green. Let's do that again. This goes down, and this goes down. This goes around the corner. This goes up. This comes back. This goes up. Now you got, now everything's mixed up. Red, green, red, blue. These two need to switch. Red, green, red, blue. And on this side it's orange, blue, orange, green. These two need to switch. This should be red, blue. This should be orange, green. This should be red, green. This should be red, blue. All four corners need to be switched. So this goes down. This goes down. This goes around the corner. This goes up. This comes back. This goes up. And now, orange, blue, red, blue, red, green, orange, green, red, blue, orange, blue, red, blue. Remember the other one? Open the door, let the cat out. Close the door. Cat comes back. Cat goes up. Put this in storage. Bring this back. Bring this back. Now red, green, red, blue. These two need to be switched. This should be red, blue. This should be red, green. However, these two are correct. Orange, green, orange, blue. So there's two situations with the bottom corners. Let's leave the orange, blue and the orange, green alone. These two need to be switched. Open the door, let the cat out. Close the door. Bring the cat back. Cat goes up. These two go in storage. This comes back. These go up. And all the corners are back to where they should be. Red, blue, orange, green, red, green. Now there's a three-step method for finishing the corners. Trying to get it set up here. Okay, basically what you do is you look for yellow, white on the bottom. In this case you have two choices. You can go down this way or this way. Basically, you open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back. And usually this is a three-step method. Well, for me it's a two-step method. When you get good at it, you'll do the two-step method, but I really want to show you the two-step method. Okay, basically you look for yellow in color. Yellow in color. If you're left-handed, you go this way. I'm right-handed, so I'll do this side. You go down on the color. So, to start with, you find yellow in a color. You open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door. Now you look for yellow in the bottom again. And you do pick one. Let's go this way this time. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door. By now you should have what I call the three doors. Color, yellow 1, door 1, yellow 2, door 2, yellow door 3, color. So door 1, yellow 2, yellow 3. And you do the cat method again. But this time you do it on the yellow. For step 1 and step 2 you do it on the yellow. On the color, I mean. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door, and your cube is solved. Let's repeat all that. Mess up the bottom a bit. Of course, as you can see, the corners are still where they belong. Orange, green, red, blue. Basically, you go down on the color. You find yellow color. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door. You find yellow again. take your pick, go down this way or this way, open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door. And then you'll be left with what I call the 3 doors. Door 1, door 2, and door 3. This time you go on the yellow. Door 1, door 2, door 3. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door, and the cube is solved. Now let's mess up the cube and see how fast I can do it. This is not a speed cube, by the way. Okay, let's find my favorite color. Let's go find the blue. Blue's on the bottom. There it is. Blue up. Find the orange, yellow. There's the orange, yellow. Ooh! Okay, now we orient the corners. Here's the 2 orange. All the corners need to be switched. So you got red, green, and red, blue. These 2 need to be switched. Here you got orange, blue, and orange, green. They need to be switched. So, down 1, down 2, turn. This goes back up. This comes back. This goes back up. Ooh, and the cube is solved. Well, kind of by coincidence. That's how I do the Rubik's Cube 2x2.